Décimale classification. Table géographique * Office international de bibliographie Hôtel Ravenstein, Bruxelles Décimale classification Table géographique Bruxelles Imprimerie Veuve Ferdinand Larcier 26 à 28, rue des Minimes 1895 Index géographique méthodique 3 Géographie ancienne 31 Tchéna 32 Égyptia 33 Judée 34 India 35 Médo-Persia 351 Calda 352 Assyrie, Nineveh, Niniva 353 Média 354 Babylonie 355 Persia 356 Parthia 357 Sassania 358 Mésopotamie 359 Susiana 36 Celtes 37 Roma 38 Grèce 391 Grishon Archipelago, archipel grec 392 Asia Minor, Western 393 Eastern 394 Syrie, Arabie 395 Asia, Nord-Western 397 Africa 398 Europa, Sud-Est 4 Europa 41 Scotland, Écosse 415 Ireland 42 England, Angleterre 43 Germanie, Allemagne, Deutschland 431 Prache 432.1 Saxe 433 Bavarie 434.4 Alsace, Elsace 434.5 Lorraine, Lothringen 434.6 Baden 434.7 Württemberg 435.1 Remberg 435.2 Bremen 435.4 Brunswick 435.6 Westphalie, Autriche 436 Österreich, Autriche 437 Bohémie 438 Pologne, Pologne 439 Hongrie 439.5 Bosnie 439.6 Herzégovine 44 France, Frankreich 45 Italie 458 Sicile 46 Spain, Espagne 469 Portugal 47 Rache 471 Finlande 479 Caucasia 48 Scandinavie 481 Norway, Norge 485 Sweden, Suède 489 Danemark 491 Ceylan 492 Hollande, Néderlande 493 Belgique 494 Schweiz, Suisse 495 Grèce, Griechlande 496 Turquie 497 Serbie, Bulgarie, Monténégro 498 Roumanie 499 Archipel grec 5 Asia 51 Chine 52 Japon 53 Arabie 54 India 55 Persia 56 Turquie d'Asie 57 Sibéria 581 Afghanistan 584 Turkestan 588 Baloutchistan, 593 Siam, 596 Cambodge, 597 Cochinchine française, 598 Annam, 599 Tonkin, 6 Africa, 611 Tunisie, 612 Tripoli, 62 Égypte, 63 Abyssinie, 64 Maroc, 65 Algérie, 661 Sahara, 662 Soudan, 663 Sénégambie, 664 Sierra Leone, 665 Guinée, 666 Libéria, 667 Ashanti, 668 Dahomey, 669 Côte d'Or, Gold Coast, 672 Congo, 678 Zanzibar, 679 Mozambique, 682 Transvaal, 684 Natal, 685 Orange, 686 Kaffraria, Kaffrerie, 687 Cap Colony, 69 Madagascar, Mauritius, 7 Amérique du Nord, North America, 71 Canada, 72 Mexico, 728 Amérique centrale, Central America, 728.1 Guatemala, 728.3 Honduras, 728.4 San Salvador, 728.5 Nicaragua, 728.6 Costa Rica, 729 Inde orientale, Ouest India, 729.1 Cuba, 729.2 Jamaïque, 729.3 Santo Domingo, 729.4 Haïti, 729.5 Porto Rico, 729.8 Barbados, 729.9 Bermudas, 73 United States, États-Unis, 8 South America, Amérique du Sud, 81 Brésil, 82 Argentine, 83 Chili, 84 Bolivie, 85 Pérou, 86 Colombie, Équateur, 87 Venezuela, 88 Guyane, 89 Paraguay, Uruguay, 9 Océanie, 91 Malaysia, 911 Bornéo, 912 Celebes, 913 Molucas, 914 Philippines, 92 Sonde, île de la, 921 Sumatra, 922 Java, 93 Australasia, 94 Australia, 946 Tasmanie, 95 New Guinea, Nouvelle-Guinée, 96 Polynésie, 969 Hawaï, 98 régions arctiques, 99 régions antarctiques. Index géographique alphabétique 1 Abyssinie 63 Afghanistan 581 Africa, à 397 Africa 6 Algérie 65 Allemagne 43 Alsace 4344 Amérique du Nord 7 Amérique centrale 728 Amérique du Sud 8 Angleterre 42 Annam 598 Eurébia, à 394 Eurébia 53 Archipel archipel grec, à 391 archipel grec 499 Argentine 82 Arctic Regions 98 Achante 667 Asia, A, N Western 395 Asia Minor, à Western 392 Eastern 393 Asie 5 Syrie, à 352 Australasia 93 Australia 94 Autriche 436 Baden 4346 Babylonie, à 354 Baloutchistan 588 Barbados 7298 Bavarie 433 Belgique 493 Bermudes 7299 Borémie 437 Bolivie 84 Bornéo 911 Bosnie 4395 Bremen 4352 Brésil 81 Brunswick 4354 Bulgarie 497 Cafrerie 686 Cambodge 596 Canada 71 Cap Calédonie 687 Caucasia 479 Célèbes 912 Celte, à 36 Central America 728 Calda, à 351 Chili 83 Tchéna, à 31 Chine 51 Cochinchine française 597 Colombie 86 Congo belge 675 Congo français 672 Costa Rica 7286 Côte d'Or 669 Cuba 7291 Dahomey 668 Danemark 489 Deutschland 43 Écosse 41 Équateur 86 Égypte, à 32 Égypte 62 Alsace 4344 Angleterre 42 Espagne 46 États-Unis 73 Europa, A, Sud-Est 398 Europa 4 Finlande 471 France 44 Francreich 44 Germanie 43 Gold Coast 669 Grèce, à 38 Grèce 495 Grecian Archipelago, à 391 Griecland 495 Guatemala 7281 Guyane 88 Guinée 665 Remberg 4351 Hawaï 969 Haïti 7294 Herzégovine 4396 Hollande 492 Honduras 7283 Hongrie 439 Islande 491 Indes orientales 729 India, à 34 India 54 Ireland 415 Italia 45 Jamaïca 7292 Japon 52 Java 922 Judea, à 33 Cafraria 686 Kelt, à 36 Libéria 666 Lorraine 4345 Lothringen 4345 Madagascar 69 Malaysia 91 Maroc 64 Maurice, île 69 Média, à 353 Médo-Persia, à 35 Mésopotamie, à 358 Mexico 72 Moluques 913 Monténégro 497 Mozambique 676 Natal 684 Néderlandes 492 New Guinea 95 Nicaragua 7285 Nineveh, à 352 Niniva, à 352 Norge 481 Nord-América 7 Nouvelle-Guinée 95 Nord-Ouest 481 Océanie 9 Österreich 436 Orange 685 Paraguay 89 Parthia, à 356 Persia, à 355 Persia 55 Pérou 85 Philippines 914 Pologne 438 Pologne 438 Polonie 96 Porto Rico 7295 Portugal 469 Pracha 43 Régions arctiques 98 Régions antarctiques 99 Roma, à 37 Roumania 498 Racha 47 Soudan 662 San Salvador 7284 Santo Domingo 7293 Sahara 661 Sassania, à 357 Saxe 4321 Scandinavie 48 Schweiz 494 Scotland 41 Sénégambie 669 Serbie 497 Siam 593 Siberia 57 Sicile 458 Sierra Leone 664 Sonde, île de la 92 South America 8 Spain 46 Suède 485 Suisse 494 Sumatra 921 Susiana, à 359 Sweden 485 Syrie, à 394 Tasmanie 946 Tonkin 599 Transvaal 682 Tripoli 612 Tunisie 611 Turkistan 584 Turquie 496 Turquie d'Asie 56 United States 73 Uruguay 89 Venezuela 87 West Indies 729 Westphalie 4356 Württemberg 4347 Zanzibar 678 Note, la lettre A qui est jointe à certains noms de pays indique qu'il s'agit de géographie ancienne. Note du transcripteur: les modifications suivantes ont été apportées à ce texte par sa partia, 356 partia. Susana à Susiana, 359 Susiana. Grécan à Griechen, 391 Griechen archipelago. Danmark à Danemark, 489 Danemark. Un numéro manquant a été ajouté, 5 Asia. Arctique à Arctique, Arctic Regions 98. Württemberg à Württemberg, Württemberg 4347. Astérisque 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 End of the Project Gutenberg e-book decimal classification. Table géographique astérisque 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 updated editions will replace the previous one. The all editions will be renamed. Creating the works from print editions not protected by US copyright law means that no one owns a United States copyright in these works, so the Foundation, and you, can copy and distribute it in the United States without permission and without paying copyright royalty. Special rule, set forth in the general terms of use part of this license, apply to copying and distributing Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works to protect the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial concept and trademark. Project Gutenberg is a registered trademark, and may not be used if you charge for an e-book, except by following the terms of the trademark license, including paying royalty for use of the Project Gutenberg trademark. If you do not charge anything for copy of this e-book, complying with the trademark license is very easy. You may use this e-book for nearly any purpose such as creation of derivative works, report, performance and research. Project Gutenberg e-books may be modified and printed and given away. You may do practically anything in the United States with e-books not protected by US copyright law. Redistribution is subject to the trademark license, especially commercial redistribution. Start, full license. The full Project Gutenberg license. Please read this before you distribute or use this work to protect the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial. Mission of promoting the free distribution of electronic works, by using or distributing this work, or any other work associated in any way with the phrase Project Gutenberg. You agree to comply with all the terms of the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license available with this file or online at www.gutenberg.org/licence. Section 1. General Terms of Use and Redistributing Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique Works 1.a by reading or using any part of this project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique work, you indicate that you have read, understand, agree to and accept all the terms of this license and intellectual property, trademark / copyright, agreement. If you do not agree to abide by all the terms of this agreement, you must cease using and return or destroy all copy of Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique works in your possession. If you paid a fee for obtaining a copy of or access to a Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique work and you do not agree to be bound by the terms of this agreement, you may obtain a refund from the person or entity to whom you paid the fee as set forth in paragraph 1.e.8. 1.b Project Gutenberg is a registered trademark. It may only be used on or associated in any way with an electronic work by people who agree to be bound by the terms of this agreement. There are a few things that you can do with most Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique works even without complying with the full terms of this agreement. See paragraph 1.c below. There are a lot of things you can do with Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique works if you follow the terms of this agreement and help preserve free future access to Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique works. See paragraph 1.e below. 1.c. The Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the Foundation or PGLAF, owns a compilation copyright in the collection of Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique works. Nearly all the individual works in the collection are in the public domain in the United States. If an individual work is unprotected by copyright law in the United States and you are located in the United States, we do not claim a right to prevent you from copying, distributing, performing, displaying or creating derivative works based on the work alone as all references to Project Gutenberg are removed. Of course, we hope that you will support the Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale mission of promoting free access to electronic works by freely sharing Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale works in compliance with the terms of this agreement for keeping the Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale name associated with the work. You can easily comply with the terms of this agreement by keeping this work in the same format with its attached full Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale license when you share it without charge with others. 1.d. The copyright laws of the place where you are located also govern what you can do with this work. Copyright laws in most countries are in a constant state of change. If you are outside the United States, check the laws of your country in addition to the terms of this agreement before downloading, copying, displaying, performing, distributing or creating derivative works based on this work or any other Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale work. The Foundation makes no representations concerning the copyright status of any work in any country other than the United States. 1.e Unless you have removed all references to Project Gutenberg. 1.e.1. The following sentence, with active links to, or other immediate access to, the full Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale license must appear prominently whenever any copy of a Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale work, any work on which the phrase Project Gutenberg appears, or with which the phrase Project Gutenberg is associated, is accessed, displayed, performed, viewed, copied or distributed. This ebook is for the use of anyone anywhere in the United States and most other parts of the world at no cost and with almost no restriction whatsoever. You may copy it, give it away or reuse it under the terms of the Project Gutenberg license included with this ebook or online at www.gutenberg.org. If you are not located in the United States, you will have to check the laws of the country where you are located before using this ebook. 1.E.2 If an individual Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work is derived from texts not protected by US copyright law, does not contain a notice indicating that it is posted with permission of the copyright holder, the work can be copied and distributed to anyone in the United States without paying any fees or charge. If you are redistributing or providing access to a work with the phrase Project Gutenberg associated with or appearing on the work, you must comply either with the requirements of paragraphs 1.E.1 through 1.E.7 or obtain permission for the use of the work and the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial trademark as set forth in paragraphs 1.E.8 or 1.E.9. 1.E.3 If an individual Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work is posted with the permission of the copyright holder, your use and distribution must comply with both paragraphs 1.E.1 through 1.E.7 and any additional terms imposed by the copyright holder. Additional terms will be linked to the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license for all works posted with the permission of the copyright holder found at the beginning of this work. 1.E.4 Do not unlink or detach or remove the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license terms from this work, or any file containing a part of this work or any other work associated with Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial. 1.E.5 Do not copy, display, perform, distribute or redistribute this electronic work, or any part of this electronic work, without permanently displaying the sentence set forth in paragraph 1.E.1 with active links or immediate access to the full terms of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license. 1.E.6 You may convert to and distribute this work in any binary, compressed, marked up, non-proprietary or proprietary form, including any word processing or hypertext form. However, if you provide access to or distribute copy of a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work in a format other than plain vanilla ASCII or other format used in the official version posted on the official Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial website, www.gutenberg.org you must, at no additional cost, fee or expense to the user, provide a copy, a means of exporting a copy, or a means of obtaining a copy upon request, of the work in its original plain vanilla ASCII or other form. Any alternate format must include the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license as specified in paragraph 1.E.1. 1.E.7 Do not charge a fee for access to, viewing, displaying, performing, copying or distributing any Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works unless you comply with paragraph 1.E.8 or 1.E.9. 1.E.8 You may charge a reasonable fee for copy of or providing access to or distributing Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works provided that, you pay a royalty fee of 20% of the gross profit you derive from the use of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works calculated using the method you already use to calculate your applicable tax. The fee is owed to the owner of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial trademark, BU et HAS agreed to donate royalty under this paragraph to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. Royalty payment must be paid within 60 days following each date on which you prepare, or are legally required to prepare, your periodic tax returns. Royalty payment should be clearly marked as sent to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation at the address specified in Section 4, Information à bout donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. You provide a full refund of any money paid by a user who notifies you in writing, or by email, within 30 days of receipt that /et does not agree to the terms of the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license. You must require such a user to return or destroy all copy of the works possessed in a physical medium and discontinue all use of and all access to other copy of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works. You provide, in accordance with paragraph 1.f.3, a full refund of any money paid for a work or a replacement copy, if a defect in the electronic work is discovered and reported to you within 90 days of receipt of the work. You comply with all other terms of this agreement for free distribution of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works. 1.e.9 If you wish to charge a fee or distribute a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work or group of works on different terms than are set forth in this agreement, you must obtain permission in writing from the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the manager of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial trademark. Contact the Foundation as set forth in Section 3 below. 1.f1.f.1 Project Gutenberg volunteers and employees expend considerable effort to identify, do copyright research on, transcribe and proofread works not protected by US copyright law in creating the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial collection. Despite these efforts, Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works, and the medium on which they may be stored, may contain defects such as, but not limited to, incomplete, inaccurate or corrupt data, transcription errors, a copyright or other intellectual property infringement, a defective or damaged disk or other medium, a computer virus, or computer code that damage or cannot be read by your equipment. 1.f.2 Limited warranty, disclaimer of damage, except for the right of replacement or refund described in paragraph 1.f.3, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the owner of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial trademark, and any other party distributing a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work under this agreement, disclaim all liability to you for damages, costs and expenses, including legal fees. You agree that you have no remedy for negligence, strict liability, breach of warranty or breach of contract except those provided in paragraph 1.f.3. You agree that the Foundation, the trademark owner, and any distributor under this agreement will not be liable to you for actual, direct, indirect, consequential, punitive or incidental damages even if you give notice of the possibility of such damage. 1.f.3 Limited right of replacement or refund, if you discover a defect in this electronic work within 90 days of receiving it, you can receive a refund of the money, if any, you paid for it by sending a written explanation to the person you received the work from. If you received the work on a physical medium, you must return the medium with your written explanation. The person or entity that provided you with the defective work may elect to provide a replacement copy in lieu of a refund. If you received the work electronically, the person or entity providing it to you may choose to give you a second opportunity to receive the work electronically in lieu of a refund. If the second copy is also defective, you may demand a refund in writing without further opportunities to fix the problem. 1.f.4 Except for the limited right of replacement or refund set forth in paragraph 1.f.3, this work is provided to you as, with no other warranties of any kind, express or imply, including but not limited to warranties of merchantability or fitness for any purpose. 1.f.5 Some states do not allow disclaimers of certain implied warranties or the exclusion or limitation of certain type of damages. If any disclaimer or limitation set forth in this agreement violates the law of the state applicable to this agreement, the agreement shall be interpreted to make the maximum disclaimer or limitation permitted by the applicable state law. The invalidity or unenforceability of any provision of this agreement shall not void the remaining provision. 1.f.6 Indemnity, you agree to indemnify and hold the foundation, the trademark owner, any agent or employee of the foundation, anyone providing copy of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works in accordance with this agreement, and any volunteers associated with the production, promotion and distribution of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works, harmless from all liability, costs and expenses, including legal fees, that arise directly or indirectly from any of the following which you do or cause to occur. A. Distribution of this or any Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work. B. Alteration, modification, or addition or deletions to any Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work. And C. Any defective cause. Section 2. Information about the mission of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial. Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial is synonymous with the free distribution of electronic works in format readable by the widest variety of computer including obsolete, old, middle-aged and new computer. It exists because of the effort of hundreds of volunteers and donations from people in all walks of life. Volunteers and financial support to provide volunteers with the assistance they need are critical to reaching Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial's goals and ensuring that the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial collection will remain freely available for generations to come. In 2001, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation was created to provide a secure and permanent future for Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial and future generations. To learn more about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation and how your efforts and donations can help, see section 3 and 4 and the Foundation information page at www.gutenberg.org. Section 3. Information about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. The Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation is a non-profit 501 3. Educational corporation organized under the laws of the state of Mississippi and granted tax-exempt status by the Internal Revenue Service. The Fondation SEIN or Federal Tax Identification Number is 64 à 6 221 541. Contribution to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation are tax deductible to the full extent permitted by US federal laws and your state's laws. The Foundation's business office is located at 809 North 1500 West, Salt Lake City, U84 116, 801, 596 à 1887. Email contact links and up-to-date contact information can be found at the Foundation's website and official page at www.gutenberg.org/contact section 4. Information about donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial depends upon and cannot survive without widespread public support and donation to carry out its mission of increasing the number of public domain and licensed works that can be freely distributed in machine-readable form accessible by the widest array of equipment including outdated equipment. Many small donations, $1 to $5,000, are particularly important to maintaining tax-exempt status with the IRS. The Foundation is committed to complying with the laws regulating charities and charitable donations in all 50 states of the United States. Compliance requirements are not uniform and it takes a considerable effort, much paperwork and money fees to meet and keep up with these requirements. We do not solicit donations in locations where we have not received written confirmation of compliance. To send donation or determine the status of compliance for any particular state, visit www.gutenberg.org/donate. While we cannot and do not solicit contribution from states where we have not met the solicitation requirements, we know of no prohibition against accepting unsolicited donation from donors in such states who approach us with offers to donate. International donations are gratefully accepted, but we cannot make any statements concerning tax treatment of donations received from outside the United States. US laws alone swamp for small staff. Please check the Project Gutenberg web page for current donation methods and addresses. Donations are accepted in a number of other ways including checks, online payments and credit card donations. To donate, please visit www.gutenberg.org/donate. Section 5. Général information about Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic works. Professor Michael S. R. was the originator of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale concept of a library of electronic works that could be freely shared with anyone. For 40 years, he produced and distributed Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale ebooks with only a loose network of volunteer support. Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale ebooks are often created from several printed editions, all of which are confirmed and not protected by copyright in the US unless a copyright notice is included. Thus, we do not necessarily keep ebooks in compliance with any particular paper edition. Most people start at our website which has the main page search facility, www.gutenberg.org. This website includes information about Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale, including how to make donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, how to help produce our new ebooks, and how to subscribe to our email newsletter to read about new ebooks. Décimale classification index géographique méthodique 3 géographie ancienne 4 Europa 5 Asia 6 Africa 7 Amérique du Nord North America 8 South America Amérique du Sud 9 Océanie Index géographique alphabétique 1 The Full Project Gutenberg licence